See, this is what happens. I don't know anything about coffee. I don't know a freaking thing. Not anything about anything. And I'm not really much of a manual reader either. So I got to do everything by accident or by hand. Hey guys, this is Joeteck from JoeteckTips on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And yes, it's 7:40 in the morning on Christmas Eve. And we're going to be testing out the Hamilton Beach coffee grinder. Does spices, supposedly quieter than the leading or other brands. That's what the box says. We're just reading what the box says. We're going to check this out. A buddy of mine, Mark Rhodes, which is our other reviewer that's on this channel, hasn't been doing a lot lately because he's been really busy, and he sent me this InfoWars coffee. So I'm looking forward to opening this thing up, throwing it into this, and testing it out. So the whole review is for this. So let's do an unboxing of it and see what. Ooh, it plugs in. Now I like that. I thought it was USB, but this is great. Oh, look. Oh, okay. You pull down, unravel the cord. All right, so it's a short cord, and then you push back up again. Okay, so you pull down on this, unravel the cord, push it back up again. All right, so luckily I have a power right here. We're gonna give this a shot. Okay, this comes right off. Doesn't look like it's easily cleanable, because that's what I'm looking for. Can't take the blade off. Nothing else. Oh, here we go. I'm sorry, you can. So, see, this is what happens. I don't know anything about coffee. I don't know a freaking thing. Not anything about anything. And I'm not really much of a manual reader either. So I got to do everything by accident or by hand. So this apparently twists and comes out. And then it's cleanable that way, which is great. There are notches on the inside here, and they match the notches on this device here, and they slide in and twist. So there are sections on here that show you Spice Max, Coffee Max, and then this is just a cover. So you don't put a lot in here. So we're going to give it a shot. Oh wow, the safety, you can't turn this on accidentally because the button is part of the button is actually part of the cover. And the slides. That's interesting, is pulse. Well, that's cool, so you don't destroy anything. All right, so I'm like looking forward to having coffee this morning. Matter of fact, I'm not really one to be looking forward for coffee in the morning, but since my buddy sent me this, I'm like really looking forward to making coffee in the morning. So I've never made my own from ground. Let's put some of these in here. I'll make sure I have enough in here. You know, I have no idea what the hell I'm doing. I'm being brutally honest with you. Alright, so let's put this on. You gotta start somewhere, right? Let's give this a shot. Ooh. Wow. That looks sick. God, that looks so amazing. I love it. Alright, so now we're going to go and dump this in. Look at that. That came out incredible. Wow, it smells so good. I'll have a link in the description below to purchase this. I'm looking extremely forward. This is great. Let's go check it out. Let's go make some coffee. Let's give this a shot. I have no idea what I'm doing here. I'm assuming I stick this in here like so. Yeah, so I just rinsed this out in the sink. That's it. I like the fact that it's got rubber feet. Hey guys, I just want to let you know, I have a P.O. Box. JoeteckTips, P.O. Box 149, Selden, New York 11784. You want to send me fan mail, products to review. If you're a manufacturer and you want to send me something, you just want to send me something. You see this video, you want to send me something, send it to that. I have no problem with that whatsoever. Again, JoeteckTips, P.O. Box 149, Selden, New York 11784. Looking forward to hearing from you. Yeah. As you saw, I just made some coffee, and this is some good stuff. I have to thank Mark Rhodes for sending this to me for a nice Christmas present. This is InfoWars. Immune Support 100% organic blend. This is some good stuff. So the first time making coffee in the morning for myself, literally. I'm impressed. I just have to wash the cover off because it went in there. And I'm impressed with this Hamilton Beach blender. I mean, it's a grinder for grinding coffee. It's amazing, and I already have. So if you like doing this kind of stuff, grinding your own beans, you know, coffee beans, this is a great tool to have. I like the simplicity of it completely. It's very easy to use, and it will get the JoeteckTips Instant Awesome rating hands down because it works, and I like stuff that works. Absolutely. So guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Merry Christmas. This is Christmas Eve. Today is Christmas Eve. Have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Take care. And we'll see you next time. I'll tell you a little quick story. When I was a kid, I was 16 years old. I was trying to be like the guys. I was going hunting with my dad. I was 16 years old. I was trying to be just like the guys. There were 6 of us. We were trying to cram into a 12-foot trailer that held 4 people. I ate a lot. I put a lot of sugar in it. Had a lot of donuts and everything, and I threw up that evening or that morning. And I embarrassed the shit out of my dad, and I never had coffee since. And I tell that story to everybody because it's the God honest truth.